Hi, artist! Today I wanted to show you how to make an origami friendship bracelet. There are lots of ways to make this type of bracelet, and I'm going to show you one. To make this bracelet, you need two pieces of paper cut into 16 strips. I suggest that your two pieces of paper are different colors but the same size. To get our papers cut into 16 strips, first we're going to fold it in half the long way and then cut it. And then we'll fold these parts in half again and cut them. This gives us 4 parts. See, 4 pieces. Now we're going to take each one of those and divide them into 4. So 4 papers divided by 4 will equal the total number that we need, 16. And do it with your second colored piece of paper as well. Now it's time to begin folding the strips. Take one strip and fold it in half the long way, taking time to fold as precisely as possible. Then open it up and you're going to fold the outside edges in to meet that folded line. Then take those 2 outside edges and you're going to fold it all in half once more so it's a tiny little strip that is strong and has several layers of folded paper. Now fold it in half to make a V and take each one of the points of the V and fold them in to meet at the middle. I'll show you again. Fold it in half and then fold them to meet in the middle. Fold that in half once more and in half again. I like to use a pencil or a marker near me to just push and make sure everything is creased. And here's the last fold to get my paper strips ready. Do this to all of the strips you have, or at least get a few ready at a time so that you can make your bracelet. Now it's time to build the bracelet. So take a piece that you folded from each of your paper piles. Choose one to be the start and choose the other to be this next piece. You're going to make sure that they're folded into the V and insert the opposite ends into the other color. You'll see that there's a little pocket, a little space created that you will just be able to push them through. Now, grab a new piece, the opposite color that you just did. So I just did black and I picked up blue. Flip over my started piece and I'm going to insert the blue through those little holes on the black. Flip it over the bracelet, flip over the bracelet. There we go. And insert the black into those little holes of the blue. If those little spaces don't open, you can use a fingernail or a toothpick or a pencil to just pop them open. And continue with the pattern, grabbing a blue paper next and inserting it into the black, flipping your bracelet over, and doing the black inserted into the blue. Continue back and forth until you've done this several times, almost enough to wrap around a wrist. Once you've gotten your bracelet up quite long, measure it on your wrist. You can see here that I have 2 blue ends, so I need to make one more black one folded so that I can connect the bracelet. If my bracelet wasn't long enough, or it was too long, I could add or subtract pieces. The last piece is a little bit different. Even though we folded it like normal, we're going to unfold those last parts so that it is long and insert it to the one side. Then I'm going to roll it around so it's like a bracelet and insert those long black pieces into the other blue side. Then I'm going to take each black piece and fold it around and back into that first blue one. I could add a little bit of glue for extra security here. And do it on the inside as well. Make sure to measure your bracelet so that it fits you and it's not too big or too small. Or think about the friend you're making it for. Have fun making bracelets.